Today we're going to work on cross rolls with different turns. We will start with forward outside cross rolls, forward outside to backward inside 3 turn. And then again 2 cross rolls, forward outside backward inside 3 turn. Keep switching your legs and go through whole ice rink. Then we start forward inside 3 turn, backward cross rolls, and then backward outside 3 turn. And again forward inside 3 turn, cross rolls, backward outside 3 turn. Don't forget to check my playlists with more exercises for different levels of skating. Now when we cover all 3 turns, we're going to start with brackets. We're going to do forward outside backward inside bracket, couple cross rolls, switch leg, and then do other foot. And again forward outside cross rolls, and then forward outside bracket into backward inside bracket. Now we're going to do backward outside and forward inside bracket. Again follow backward outside cross rolls and start from other foot. This time we will start with backward bracket. Backward outside, forward inside, and couple backward cross rolls. Moving on to rockers, forward outside rocker, couple cross rolls, and then backward outside rocker. And again, other foot, forward outside rocker, 2 backward cross rolls, backward outside rocker. Forward inside rocker, power pull, backward cross rolls, power pull, backward inside rocker, and again power pull into forward outside cross rolls. This is a little bit more complicated, so let's take this in slow motion. Let's start this again. Right forward inside rocker, power pull, backward cross roll, 1, 2, then power pull on the right foot into backward inside rocker, and again power pull into forward outside cross roll, 1, 2. On the third cross roll, you're doing power pull again, and start from other leg. Forward inside rocker, power pull, 2 backward outside cross rolls, power pull, and then backward inside rocker, and into power pull and cross roll forward again. Now forward outside and backward outside counters. We're going to start with cross rolls, forward outside counter, backward cross rolls, and then backward outside counter. This one is easy, and then forward inside, backward inside counters will be similar to our rocker combination with power pull right before counter to switch from backward or forward outside edge to backward or forward inside edge. You can click on the link here to watch power pulls video for beginners. Twizzles with cross rolls and power pulls start with forward outside and backward outside twizzles. And we're going to look at this in slow motion because we're going to switch forward to backward twizzles, and when you start forward outside twizzle, we're going to exit inside backward, then power pull, cross roll, then you start backward outside twizzle, exiting forward, again doing power pull, and then cross roll forward, 3 cross rolls, and then you can start on other leg, forward outside to backward inside twizzle with power pull, backward cross rolls, and then backward twizzle, backward outside twizzle, exiting forward inside, doing power pull, and again forward cross rolls. And of course, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to push the like button, subscribe to my channel to get more updates in videos. Now we're going to do same combination with inside twizzles. forward Twizzles will end finish backward, and the backward Twizzles will exit forward. Let's see this in slow motion. Right, forward, and side Twizzle exiting backward. Then we're going to do cross rolls, then power pull, and backward and side Twizzle exiting forward outside, straight into cross rolls forward. And then we will start other leg from power pull, inside, forward inside Twizzle, exiting backward outside, right into backward outside cross rolls, and then backward power pull, backward inside Twizzle, exiting forward outside into forward outside cross rolls. Follow my links above or look in the description below for more helpful videos and training tips. And now loops. Cross rolls forward, forward outside loop, and again cross rolls forward, and then 3 turn and backward inside loop. And start again from other leg. Cross rolls always will be forward, outside, but first loop we're going to do forward, outside, and the second one backward inside after forward, outside 3 turn. Let's see this in slow motion. Forward, outside, left foot, loop, then cross rolls, 3 turn from left foot, and then backward inside loop. Now we're going to start other leg after cross rolls, forward, outside, right foot, loop, and then forward, outside, right foot, 3 turn into backward inside loop. And now forward inside loops and backward outside loops. Again, we're going to do edges between, and we're going to do 3 turn right after first forward inside loop. Let's see again. Right forward inside loop, 3 turn right away, and then backward outside cross rolls, backward outside loop, and then step forward inside into forward inside edges, left foot, forward inside loop, immediately after that 3 turn into backward outside cross rolls and backward outside loop. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.